Welcome to Facebook Mastery, and today we're going to learn how to like another Facebook page as your Facebook page. Now, to like another Facebook business page, you need to first search the page that you want to like. Once you found it, click on the page. Now, once you're at the home page, click on the three-dot button beside the Save button. When you click it, it will give you several options, and one of them is Like as your page. Click that. Choose the page that you want and submit. Now that that's done, to see the page that you liked, go to your Facebook page, scroll down, and it will be on the right column, right over here. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe.